And now I'll know is this a straight up and down print. Okay, and the cursive is going to have more of a roundness to it. Every single one of these block letters, even the ones with the curves in them, I'll start with this basic square. So I want to see you take your name, the letters of your name. I'm going to do JBird right here and make a square for each letter that are exactly the same or close. I'll leave this up here so you can see it. Just make a rectangle. Nice little rectangle for each letter. Okay? Letter is a fill, and the line that holds the letter, like the skin of a balloon, is a stroke or an outline. Okay, that later. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, give you an idea of hollow. That means just like this. I use permanent marker. You're going to drop a line for the negative space at the top and bottom, the hole, and the hole. Just cut over, you have S. Just go back and forth. I want you to fill almost this whole page. You start very as light as you can, and by the time you get down, slowly, about halfway through the page, start getting darker. I want you to create a fade with your pencil. I want to see all you guys make a fade on your piece of paper. Get a little stronger at the bottom. Awesome. Make a J here. Let's see. Let's make a.
So the letters are separated again?
Wrote everything. I watched you guys just write normally on your piece of paper before, and you had no problem writing an A, knowing that you were going to go up, down, and across. Those were your lines, up, down, and across. That's how you made an A. Well, now, when you're drawing an A, you gotta have the same simple approach, okay? So you all formed, you got your wild style line. So you got fellow want to write and do the artwork, guys. Look up here for a second. Here's 2 pages out of my black book to give you an idea of how many times you just write and rewrite and redraw and rewrite like the same letters and give them different shapes. Okay, see that? See, I got some of the shapes in here touching. A major company that is interested in your style and want to pay you, okay, to do what you want to do. And graffiti art is about getting up. We call it getting up. You know what getting up means? That means being up all over the place and everybody is seeing you because you've got a wall everywhere and everybody keeps seeing your stuff everywhere. Well, guess how they're gonna see it the most is when it's legit and it's sitting on the shelf and you're getting paid for it. So hopefully you can get to that level. But like I said, this is just an example of some of those hand styles.